Cool. All right, we're live on YouTube and X. Welcome. Not too much going on. We're just going over the launch of GPT-69 and doing some vibe coding. Gonna update the website real quick. Trying to fix the alignment on the image, and things are working really well. So we just launched this little AI meme image generator. So you can, if you're a holder of the token, you can come over to GPT-69.lol, verify your holdings, and then you're able to use the AI utilities. So there's going to be two utilities. There's one where you enter a prompt and it gives you an image, and then you're able to manipulate that image. So you can go and put text on the top and the bottom and create a meme. And then the second one is an AI chat interface where you can actually discuss things with the AI. We'll have it trained on different things. We got some different prompt forms, I guess you could say, like JSON type thing. So it works really well. Having some fun with that. But right now, just while we've been testing over the last 2 or 3 hours, we've discovered a couple bugs. So we're trying to fix the most important one is the scaling of the image. So when you generate the image, you can overlay text, and that text looks great in the preview, but when you download it, that text is actually in a different position. So that's something we're trying to fix right now. What's up, Janet? I don't think we're gonna have too many people over here on YouTube and X tonight, but yeah, we gotta get the website fixed. If anybody has any questions about the token or anything going on, let me know. I'll be watching the chart here, just kind of chilling. Chart here. Jesus Christ, that was loud. But yeah, we're just bouncing around. Steady creeping up. Looking good, looking good. All right, so let's see. Oh, of course, we're out of credits. Let's go ahead and throw another 20 bucks in the pot. Jason. Oh no. Let's see here. Just checking some things out. JJ. Whoa. By default, it wants you to buy $250 worth of credits, and I'm just like, no, I'll take $5. Maybe $10 if I'm feeling crazy on a Friday night. Okay, continue. Inception. So we have 4 watchers over on YouTube. Got a couple streaming over on X. I wonder if there's any Twitter spaces on. This might be a good time to implement a proper coordinate system conversion. Cool. Rachel's talking about her old mining rig, and that's what Taylor has. Wait until she finds out. It's funny. Build's already deployed. Cool. So let's take a look. So if you come over to, let's do a little demo for this. So we're live on Pump Fund right now. Right now we're right around 70%, I think, complete. Sitting at 29K market cap. So nice market cap right now. But the cool thing about this token is It's an AI image generator, and it's private, so you can actually do things like logos and weird stuff, and it actually works. It's not going to say like, oh, this is copywritten material. It's an open source AI image generator, so you can actually generate these type of things. Her old mining rig. I like rig better. Ring, not rig? Or did you mean rig, not ring? What is mine ring? I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, so whole point of this GPT-69 is this AI image generator. So I'm going to take exactly what Janet Rakuten put in the YouTube chat and say Rachel's talking about her old mine ring, and that's what Taylor has. It's probably just going to make a bunch of nonsense. I'll click the pixel art tag, so it'll be nonsense pixel art. It's probably just going to be a bunch of people sitting around talking, but it actually takes this prompt, puts it into our NVIDIA GPUs running Flux Schnell, and it generates this image quickly, then sends it back. So it's funny, it just gave us 2 rings. Yeah, so not sure what to do with that one, but we could say R powers. And then you can adjust the text, you can give it different colors. And then we'll say combined. Captain Planet, don't they have the planet rings or whatever? But what I'm really testing, so the bug that we had, so I laid these texts down and then I would download it and the text would be in a different position or it'd be cut off at the top. And actually, yeah, let me move this to the very top and very bottom. It'll be more obvious if it's cutting it off. Yeah, it's still cutting it off. So see how at the top of this there's a space, but here there's not. It's still cutting it off. It's like a chunk of the top was cut off on download. Oh, engagement ring. Gotcha. Old mine rings. I don't know what this means. Old mine rings. I don't know. I found the issue. The canvas is using text baseline top, but the HTML text positioning. Okay. What I do need to do is get this uploaded to GPT as well. Or get GPT. I got GPT in my brain. Get it uploaded to GitHub. So give me 1 second here. Oh, multi-factor. Okay. So let's see here. Trying to find my GitHub code. There it is. Are we set up in GitHub? Don't remember. Should be. Let's go ahead and add initialize and push to what's up, Delta Pope? Image it generated is two mine old rings. Gotcha. Old mine cut. Potato vampires in the building. Welcome. We're just playing with this GPT image generator. If you own some Root or some Zend or GPT-69, some Fire Chicken, you're able to use this AI image generator. And we're going to continue to build it out. So it's a fun time so far. But yeah, we're just vibing out, vibe coding. What are we doing here? Let's see. Is it going to let me add it? Push to GitHub. Must be uploading the stuff. Or it's failing with permission issues. What happened? Push to GitHub. All right. That's looking good. Ooh, chart's not looking good. What happened there? We're still at 27K. Sitting at 73% bonding curve. Looks like we're getting some of the bonding curve jeets out. Don't ask again. I think I need to set up the GitHub though. I don't think it's going to I guess we'll see here in a sec. What? Yeah, see, it's not linked. How do we properly... Yeah. All right, I'll set up my access token later. Create a tarball backup of the files that I will download as a backup. Cool. Ready for the poosh. Ready for the poosh. Exclude node modules. Perfect. So what I'm doing now, I'm creating a tarball, which is essentially a zip file. So it's a Linux version of a zip file. So I'm asking Claude Code to zip up all the data that, all the code that we've created. I'm going to download it offsite to our local machine, just so we have a backup of it. It's generally good practice to do. How are we doing over on Pump Fun? What happens to the program? This is gonna fly soon. Just post and go online. Yeah, for sure. We'll be streaming. There's no click clack of a keyboard. It won't hit 1 million. I feel that. Hey, what's up, Frosty? I know that. I don't know that wallet address, but I know that icon. What's up, Frosty? Welcome, welcome. Got 17 watchers over on Pump Fun. Yeah, we're just chilling out, vibe coding, just making a backup of the website we pushed. Just chilling out, doing the thing. Not much else to do on a Friday night. Trying to get this backup. Cool. Don't ask again. Perfect. Okay, so now open file location. So this is GPT-69. So gonna go to file, open folder. And when we go in here, we're gonna have our tarballs, which are, again, they're just zip files. So I'm basically backing up the website to my local computer. So if something happens with our VPS or get hacked or something, it's it's that's Frosty spelled backwards. That's funny. Good call. I didn't even notice that. Yeah, so we got our tar balls here. Download these guys. Cool. That is so wild. We start streaming and all this volume comes back. How big is this file? I'm afraid to see. Where can I see the... Oh, here it is. Oh my gosh, it's downloading so slow. 2 megabytes a second. I can't imagine it's that big. It's all right. Put you in the dirt. Come on, man. All right, did we get them? So now I can go into the folder and make sure. So it's about 180 megs. That's not bad. I'm gonna open it up with 7-zip just to make sure. Make sure we got our stuff. Yeah, so here's the source code for the GPT editor or GPT generator. GPT-69, sweet. We're cooking, guys. I feel like I can finally relax. It's almost midnight. Where are we at? Creeping up on 75%. Our powers combined. So these are mine cut rings I learned today. Let's see. That's Frosty spelt backwards. This is one of my favorite things. Like when I'm bored, I'll just be chilling, and we have EmojiDracBot in our Telegram chats, and it's basically just this. It's a downgraded version of this on worse hardware that uses shittier models, but you can talk to it in Telegram. So it's like a text-based chat type thing. That's Frosty. I like how it's a pumpkin. It's like a snow pumpkin. That's funny. That's Frosty. The homie Frosty over on Pump Fun. So did we actually fix the issue? Let's go check. So if I pull up the AI meme gen, so this is the goal of this thing. I'm actually just gonna do this. Welcome to 69. So then you can come down here to the meme editor and you can say GPT-69.lol or whatever you want to say. And it adds it. And then you can adjust the size. You can make it different colors. Welcome to 69. That's so funny. Got different fonts here. Yeah, the Comic Sans is like the ultimate meme. I don't even know. I can just fuck with this shit for hours. This is what. See, I don't make this stuff for you guys. I make this for me. This is the stuff I like to do. I just sit here and fuck with this all day. Need like a red orange. Maybe just white. I think white sticks out the best. But why 69? I thought the 69 is already... Welcome to the Zen community, bro. So, yeah, 420, 69. It's all about weed and sex. From the man himself, Jack Levin. Nah, it's just what so GPT-5 came out, and in my head I was like, oh, GPT-6 is next. We might as well run with the GPT-69. But so this bug that we're trying to fix is it if I put this at the very top, is it going to cut it off? So just for shits and giggles, I know this looks bad, but I need to make sure it's not going to cut it off. It didn't. Oh yeah, we're fixed. Yeah, that's fun. But yeah, that's what we've been doing. Any Twitter spaces we could join? Excuse me. Bags. I heard Bags is doing an airdrop or something. Pump tires.
If you need room, and you can drill him all day, and he'll know it like the back of his hand.
Oh man, I'm starting to get tired. Got to keep this chart going though, guys. Where we at? Yes, sir. Fat dumps on the chart, jeez. That's okay, we're just chilling. I like the slow grind. I want this to be a slow grind. I don't necessarily need this to be, and that'll be cool if it does too. Don't get me wrong. I'm fine. I like that. I would like that. You know, I definitely want to see it graduate for sure. But if it takes a couple days, I'd be cool with that. I'm not trying to rush. We're gonna build the AI chat, the LLM chat, into the website. We're also building out some meme generation contests. You know, in the Telegram, submit the meme. Best one wins some GPT or some root. Maybe even some fire chicken. We'll see. Let's run through these comments. Dev stream 17 minutes ago. New all-time high. Dev still streaming TikTok. We'll be back here shortly. Has to complete runtime so it can multi-stream. Yeah, good call, good call. Those times still exist. It's right now. Go to TikTok live. Be patient. It'll fly. Feel like this is gonna moon just like AQC. Tree City West on TikTok. How can I get his other stream? We're on TikTok and YouTube at Tree City West. Slow builder, better than a quick run. That's exactly what I'm saying. This is about an hour ago. Getting feedback. You can see Valhalla. Love the utility here. I'm starting to fall asleep. Let's keep this thing rolling. So what's a good meme? We'll do the Y69 pixel art. gonna send this to the, I'm sure we got some, oh no, I cut it off. What the fuck? Why did it do that? Let me refresh. Maybe I had an old version. I don't even know who this is. No offense to whoever that is. I thought I was replying to Og there, but whatever. What? GPT. Okay, so I must have just had. Yeah, I was using this one. That was an old window. Okay, I just had to reload. Cool, that is fixed. We're Gucci. Ooh, we're starting to see a little pattern form over here. So obviously we broke down. This is when earlier I was like, ooh, that's a big dump. We broke below the support, but now we're starting to see this. If we hit this top of this wick here and bring this down, we're starting to coil up a bit in here. Then we can grab the fib tool and see swing low to swing high. So we might even, I wouldn't be surprised if we did do something like that. Kind of bounce around in here, pull back to 20K or something. Now, I'm not trying to be bearish and FUD my own project, but usually those golden pockets work out. Why can't I draw? On the 1 minute chart on the meme coin. We'll see if that holds. Shout out to the 11 watchers on Pump. Got the 5 watchers on YouTube. Can I give away some stuff? Membership gifting. I don't really have any membership perks, but let's give away some memberships. Jack out the box. Obi-Wan Zenobi. Zencrypto Deutschland. Shorty 2010. Chuck Jansen. Thank you guys. Enjoy the memberships. You do get the cool emojis now. You get the hash head. You get the Bitcoin and the Zen. Yeah. And I'm talking over on YouTube, guys, if you're confused on Pump Fun. So how we looking? What we doing? Should make a tweet. Yeah, making something stupid here. Let's see. This is so dumb. I love it. Holding roots GPT-69. Come make memes in the AI image generator for free as a reward for being a holder. Cool. All right, just make a little tweet here for the .com. Holding root zen or fire chicken. John Pump on, come make memes in the AI image generator. In the private AI image generator as a reward for being a holder of these communities. Cool. Yeah. It can make waifu. True that. How are we doing? Still hanging out right at 27K. Beautiful. What do you guys want to do? I'm not sure. Running out of ideas. Welcome to 69. Let's make some more memes. Pixel art. Cypherpunk. Dex boost. Gotta graduate first, bruh. Curious how the orca's holding up. Make sure we're in the memes. Yeah, it's not. That makes me nervous. I'm gonna pull this just because it's not arbitraging. Yeah, I'm gonna reopen this liquidity pool after we graduate. Because it's not working yet. The wallet's probably huge now. Well, Dex boost. Yeah. Should we do an airdrop? I know Chuck wants a way to airdrop. So why don't we vibe code an airdrop? Damn, this is still downloading extremely slow. Or it's finished. Let's just close it. So we're going to start a new project. Actually, we're going to close the server remote connection. And we're going to start a new one. This one's going to be called Soul Airdrop. And we're going to pull up our Claude code. So when I'm local, I like to use WSL. So, oh, I haven't used this yet. That's interesting. I completely forgot. So we're going to have to run through the WSL installation. God, crypto's getting spanked right now. Cool. So WSL install grabs just like the basic Ubuntu. And then we should be able to start our VM. Oh, I probably have to install a feature, motherfucker. That's gonna force me to reinstall the computer. Let's just use our... I need to create a Solana airdrop script. I will provide a list of addresses in a CSV. I would like to also have an env with a Helios API key. We will use Helios RPC with Solana and bundle airdrops to folders listed in the CSV file. I'd also like to generate logs, tracks the success and failures of each address and other stats like fees, gas, timing, etc. Alright, so we got some credits over here on Cursor. I have really been on a roll with Claude Code lately. I like Claude Code a lot more than Cursor. Well, I like using both. I like using Claude Code inside of Cursor. Because Cursor is basically VS Code. You know, just a... Yeah, I like Windows, I guess. Man, I'm feeling pretty pooped. I might have to call it here. Give it till midnight. Should I try to knock out the TikTok stream? We have $50 of creator rewards to claim on the token. It's kind of cool. So what are we going? Are we going Python? Oh, we're going Node. So we got our config file, CSV reader, logger. We're letting GPT vibe over here. Just checking out the streams. So we launched 4 hours ago, currently at 27.9K market cap. Looking beautiful. Looking good. Dex boost. So it's good to see Solana's hanging out at 200, holding that floor. Yeah. It's a vibe. A new update. All right. There's a nice green candle. Looking good. Hanging out. There's vibe coding. So I'm doing a little airdrop. This is actually for Chuck. So Chuck was we were talking about airdropping. So I want to make a utility that's kind of can be used for multiple projects. You know, basically you tell it a token, you give it a CSV file full of addresses, and it'll just airdrop it. So I think that would be pretty valuable. I think that'd be pretty good. So see what we can do there. I'm also curious if I'll be able to stream. I don't think I can. Actually, let me see. I might be able to if I do. I don't even want to fuck with it. I don't want to get my account banned or anything. Yeah, let's see here. Cool. Yeah. Man, I gotta stay awake. Oh. Cool. All right, I'm gonna let this run for a second. I'm gonna go use the restroom, grab a drink. Gonna put a message on the screen that I'll be right back, and then I'll be right back. Damn, talking with the mic off. Glad I caught it this time. But I was just saying I'm tired. I need to wrap it up. So kind of goes along with the theme. But I really appreciate everyone coming out. We're just getting started with GPT-69. So it's going to be a fun little meme coin generator. And I think once the market picks up and people want to make memes and do these fun type of things, have these little utility tokens, this will be a hot one. So yeah, we're just getting started. We're going to do some meme, excuse me, we're going to do some meme contests. So, you know, we'll be in the Root Telegram and the Zen Telegram and the Fire Chicken Telegram, giving away these tokens to in these meme contests. And yeah. So you better sell all your coins. If not, won't bond and will fall flat. Go sell your coins, bro. You got any more? I'll take them. We can get the decks going. It's just too early. It's not. It doesn't. It's after midnight here on the East Coast. People are asleep. I will gladly pick up that dip, though. Thanks for the 15 million tokens. All right. Well, on that note. Yeah, we'll be back in the morning. Probably I might squeeze in another TikTok stream real quick before I really go to sleep. Want to see if we can get through that. But yeah, I appreciate everybody's time. Thanks for coming out. The stream will be live in the morning after we get some sleep. So just don't bond it while I'm sleeping, guys. That's what happened last time. I was salty. Hope you guys stay zen.